Hey guys, I got a creepy quick tip for you. If you're a foamy like me and you use these birds, get you some, this is some 12 gauge electrical wire, and I also carry a 10 gauge with me. A couple of reasons. One reason is when you unpack these things, they have a tendency to kind of deflate like this when they're sitting out on their little stand. And if you've got some of this wire, you can shape it up in the shape of the bird, place it inside of it, and then wedge it forward, and it'll keep that bird three-dimensional. It won't collapse. So that's one reason to keep it. Another reason is when these birds sit up on these factory clips. So, you know, some of them are a pole, some of them are these things. So when they sit up, and you got a really hard ground like this one, that bird sits way up, and that's really unnatural looking. So you can get your post in the ground, you can take your wire, you can adjust the height of it, twist it around, get it secure, set your bird on top of it, and that looks a little bit more natural. You can also, while it's in there, you can also hold the bird in place so that it doesn't move back and forth. So I can take this bird and I can take this wire and I can stick the bird to where it's not going to swing back and forth in the wind. A lot of birds are spooked when these things start spinning when the wind is blowing in different directions. So that's another reason to be able to carry this wire. Another reason is when you pack them, and I'll pack them in this fashion. I'll throw the stand in with it. I'll take the wire and I'll wrap them up so that way they stay tight and they won't deflate in my pack. So let me pack up the others. I can wrap them all together now. They'll just sit in my pack, they'll be together, and then when I pull the whole thing out, they're all stuck together. Hope it helps.